So today we are going to be making some popsicles made out of juice. I think I said that right. Yeah. Okay, so you guys can use whatever ingredients you want. So what I am using today, I'm using orange juice, pineapple juice, orange Gatorade, and 3 Capri Sun drinks. Oh, and also popsicle things. Can't forget those. And also, this is a Pacific Cola that I'm using. Fruit punch and strawberry kiwi. And these are all my juices that I am going to be using today. But first, we have to wash these because these are dirty. So, let's go to the sink and wash them. I washed these out as much as I could, and I dried them out as much as I could and stuff. So, well, the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to take off the lid to this. I think you guys can see. Okay, so I'm just going to pour like this orange juice. Oops. I spilled a little bit, but that's okay. It's part of baking. You make a little bit of a mess. I think the orange juice popsicle would be delicious. It already looks good, but it's not frozen yet. So yeah. There we go. So I'm going to go freeze these now. I think I used all the juices. So I am going to go freeze these now, and I'll check back with you guys in a bit.
One eternity later.
Everybody, so it's the next day because yesterday I took the popsicle out of the little container thing, and the popsicle stick just came right out. So they had to freeze overnight. So I probably suggest if you guys are making homemade popsicles or something, probably freeze them overnight. So the popsicle stick won't come out. And also the popsicles do need more time to freeze. I'll probably put that in text at the start of the video, I think, but yeah. So, I am just going to take out this popsicle and see if it is good. Well, this will not come out. Maybe if I just twist it. Whoa. Whew, this is not coming out. I'm gonna have to see about I actually don't know which flavor is which. I think this is pineapple. This is kiwi strawberry, I think. I don't really know. Actually, I think this is kiwi strawberry. But I am actually going to try kiwi strawberry. This is so hard. Okay. This is very hard, so I'm going to go to the warm water and yeah. So I just put the warm water on it. Oh, there we go. Ooh, this looks so good. Here, I'm gonna come close so you guys can see. Look how good this looks. I don't know what it is. I think it's kiwi strawberry. I think. I don't know, but this is cool. I'm not gonna eat it yet. I'm just gonna put it back in here. Oh, that sound made my teeth hurt. Ow. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put it back in here. So yeah, I think my whole entire family would enjoy these popsicles. So yeah, so I'm gonna just clean up the mess and then I'm gonna just say the outro. So, alright, so I'm gonna just say the outro. I'm gonna just say the outro here. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below, and comment below if I should make different kinds of homemade popsicles, but with different kinds of juices. Let me know in the comments, and I will respond to your comment right away, and I will pin your comment, whichever comment I think is good. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. I will see you actually, I will see you in the next baking video. I will see you in the next baking video. Stay tuned for more DIY stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! These look so good. Bye, guys!